Hey guys, Michael Gerard, Wildwood Ovens and Barbecues. Hey, so today we're back in Irvine, just delivering the clients outdoor appliances, sinks, refrigerators, ice maker, etc. Anyway, he wanted me to come and take a look at the stonework they've done on the outdoor kitchen we installed some months back. You might have saw that short video clip. But anyway, this is how it looks. He's tried to match the leadstone of the existing house pretty good. But I like it. It's a dry fit pattern. Looks like they've wrapped our shelf extension very nicely with marble, white marble. And when we do our outdoor ovens, we give a flange here out of stainless steel, okay? And that's really helpful for the guys putting on the finished material, because obviously it gives them a place to finish the stone to, as well as it will allow the door to sit in flush against the oven opening, as opposed to rough rock. So that's kind of how we do it. We also install this nice stainless steel trim ring when we build in the gas controller unit. So that allows them another place to bring their stone finish up to. They've recessed in our oven drawer, which is okay, I guess. But yeah, this is good. These are the cutouts for ice maker, refrigerator, another refrigerator, access door, and sink is going to be above. And this is going to be the warming drawer. So kind of different. I've never installed a warming drawer before, but they're going to have one. But this project is kind of morphed. They're poured this footing here. What they're going to be doing now is they've tore off the exterior siding on that, and they're going to basically continue this roof line all the way over the oven here. And you can see what they've got stacked here, the material. They've got the decorative 4x6 core bold rafters, which are going to mimic those rafters right there. So essentially they're just going to extend the casita out, and give the, our pizza oven a nice little home. So very excited for the client. He's really going to have a nice little chill area and further enhance his property. So that's it. Over and out from Wildwood job site.